Creating panel circuit directories can be significantly streamlined with the right software. Several programs are available that offer customizable templates and features to simplify the process. These programs generally allow for easy input of circuit information, descriptions, and load details. Some programs even offer the ability to import data from CAD files or electrical design software, further reducing manual data entry. When evaluating software, consider its ease of use, customization options, compatibility with different panel types, and reporting capabilities. The software should allow you to generate clear, professional-looking directories that meet relevant electrical codes and standards. Regarding paper options, standard printer paper may not be durable enough for panel circuit directories, especially in environments where they might be exposed to moisture, dust, or physical wear. Heavy-duty paper options, such as cardstock or laminated paper, offer increased durability and resistance to tearing and fading. Some manufacturers offer pre-printed templates specifically designed for their panels. These templates often include designated spaces for circuit numbers, descriptions, and breaker ratings. If you choose to use these templates, ensure that the software you select is compatible with them. Alternatively, you can print directly onto blank heavy-duty paper and use the software to create a custom layout that suits your needs. Another option is to use label printers, which can be durable and affixed to the panel directly. Choosing the right printer is also important. A laser printer is generally recommended for printing panel circuit directories, as it produces crisp, clear text and graphics that are resistant to smudging. Inkjet printers can also be used, but the ink may be more susceptible to fading or smearing over time. Consider the printer's paper handling capabilities, especially if you plan to use heavy-duty paper or pre-printed templates. Ensure that the printer can accommodate the paper size and thickness without jamming. Furthermore, consider the printer's print speed and resolution. A printer with a higher resolution will produce sharper, more detailed prints. Some label printers can also be integrated for direct printing onto labels. Some specific features to look for in panel circuit directory software include: firstly, customizable templates. This allows you to tailor the directory to your specific needs and preferences. Secondly, data import capabilities. This can save you time and effort by allowing you to import data from other sources, such as CAD files or electrical design software. Thirdly, automatic circuit numbering. This feature automatically assigns circuit numbers, reducing the risk of errors. Fourthly, load calculation features. Some programs can automatically calculate the total load on each circuit, helping you to ensure that the panel is not overloaded. Fifthly, reporting capabilities. The software should be able to generate reports that summarize the panel circuit information. Sixthly, compatibility with different panel types. The software should be compatible with the types of panels that you commonly work with. Seventhly, compliance with relevant electrical codes and standards. The software should help you to create directories that meet the requirements of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, and other applicable codes. When selecting heavy-duty paper, consider the following factors. Firstly, thickness. A thicker paper will be more durable and resistant to tearing. Secondly, finish. A matte finish will reduce glare and make the directory easier to read. Thirdly, water resistance. If the directory will be exposed to moisture, choose a water-resistant paper. Fourthly, compatibility with your printer. Ensure that the paper is compatible with your printer's paper handling capabilities. When choosing a printer, consider the following factors. Firstly, print quality. A laser printer will produce sharper, more durable prints than an inkjet printer. Secondly, paper handling. Ensure that the printer can handle the type of paper that you will be using. Thirdly, print speed. If you will be printing large numbers of directories, choose a printer with a fast print speed. Fourthly, cost. Consider the initial cost of the printer, as well as the cost of ink or toner. Fifthly, connectivity. Choose a printer that can connect to your computer via USB or Wi-Fi. By carefully considering these factors, you can select the right software, paper, and printer to create panel circuit directories that are clear, durable, and compliant with relevant codes and standards. This will improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance safety. Let's look at some of the considerations in more detail. Firstly, regarding software, it is beneficial to explore trial versions or demos before committing to a purchase. This allows you to assess the software's user interface, features, and workflow to determine if it aligns with your specific need. Consider the learning curve associated with each software option and whether adequate support and training resources are available. Secondly, in terms of paper selection, consider the environment where the panel circuit directory will be located. If it's in a damp or corrosive environment, water-resistant or chemically resistant paper might be necessary. Lamination is another option to protect the printed directory from environmental factors. Ensure that the paper you select is compatible with your chosen printer, paying attention to the paper weight and thickness specifications. Thirdly, when selecting a printer, consider the volume of directories you'll be printing. If you anticipate printing a high volume, a laser printer with a high duty cycle is a worthwhile investment. Check the printer's specifications for its monthly duty cycle and ensure it meets your printing needs. Also, consider the printer's ability to print on various paper sizes and types, including labels if you plan to use them. Look for printers with duplex printing capabilities to save paper if applicable. Some software solutions offer mobile apps that allow you to update panel circuit directories on the go using a smartphone or tablet. This can be a valuable feature for field technicians who need to make changes quickly. Consider the software's ability to integrate with other systems such as electrical design software or project management tools. This integration can streamline workflows and improve data accuracy. Some software programs offer cloud-based storage and collaboration features, allowing multiple users to access and update panel circuit directories simultaneously. This can be beneficial for teams working on large projects. Regularly back up your panel circuit directory data to prevent data loss in case of system failures or other unforeseen events. Consider using a combination of local and cloud-based backup solutions for added security. Ensure that your panel circuit directories are easily accessible to authorized personnel but protected from unauthorized access. Implement appropriate security measures such as password protection and access controls to safeguard sensitive information. Periodically review and update your panel circuit directories to reflect any changes to the electrical system. This ensures that the information is accurate and up to date, which is crucial for safety and troubleshooting. Always comply with all applicable electrical codes and standards when creating and maintaining panel circuit directories. This includes requirements for labeling, circuit identification, and documentation. Consider attending training courses or workshops to learn more about best practices for creating and managing panel circuit directories. This can help you improve your skills and knowledge and ensure that you are using the right tools and techniques. In addition to software, paper, and printers, consider using other tools and equipment to streamline the process of creating panel circuit directories. This might include label makers, wire markers, and cable ties. Label makers can be used to create clear, durable labels for circuits and other electrical components. Wire markers can be used to identify individual wires within a circuit. Cable ties can be used to bundle and organize wires, making it easier to trace circuits. When using these tools, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and all applicable safety guidelines. Maintaining accurate and up-to-date panel circuit directories is essential for electrical safety. It helps to prevent accidents, simplifies troubleshooting, and ensures compliance with codes and standards. By investing in the right tools and techniques, you can create panel circuit directories that are clear, durable, and easy to use. Remember that the specific requirements for panel circuit directories may vary depending on the jurisdiction and the type of electrical system. Be sure to consult with local electrical inspectors and authorities to ensure that you are meeting all applicable requirements. Furthermore, consider the long-term maintainability of your panel circuit directories. Choose software, paper, and printers that are likely to be supported for years to come. This will help you avoid having to replace your tools and techniques prematurely. In summary, Creating effective panel circuit directories involves carefully considering the software, paper, and printer options available. By selecting the right tools and techniques, you can streamline the process, improve accuracy, and enhance electrical safety. Take the time to research and evaluate your options to find the best solution for your specific needs. Always prioritize safety and compliance when working with electrical systems. Proper labeling and documentation are crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring that electrical work is performed safely and efficiently. Always double-check your work to ensure that all circuits are properly labeled and that the panel circuit directory accurately reflects the current state of the electrical system. By following these guidelines, you can create panel circuit directories that are a valuable asset for your business and your customers. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous. Always follow safe work practices and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. Effective panel circuit directories play a crucial role in the safe and efficient operation of electrical systems. By investing in the right tools and techniques, you can ensure that your directories are accurate, up-to-date, and easy to use. This will help to prevent accidents, simplify troubleshooting, and comply with applicable codes and standards. Also, consider using color-coded labels or paper to differentiate between different types of circuits. For example, you could use blue labels for lighting circuits and red labels for power circuits. This can make it easier to quickly identify the function of each circuit. Ensure that all labels are securely attached to the panel and the wires. Use high-quality adhesive labels that are resistant to moisture, heat, and chemicals. Periodically inspect your panel circuit directories to ensure that the labels are still legible and that the information is accurate. Replace any damaged or missing labels immediately. When making changes to the electrical system, always update the panel circuit directory to reflect the changes. This will help to prevent confusion and ensure that the directory remains accurate. Keep a backup copy of your panel circuit directory in a safe place. This will protect you from data loss in case of fire, theft, or other disasters. Consider using a digital panel circuit directory system. This can make it easier to update and maintain the directory, and it can also provide access to the directory from anywhere with an internet connection. Digital panel circuit directory systems can also offer additional features, such as the ability to search for circuits by name, location, or function. Some digital systems can even integrate with building management systems to provide real-time information about the electrical system. When choosing a digital panel circuit directory system, be sure to select one that is user-friendly and that meets your specific needs. Consider the cost of the system as well as the ongoing maintenance and support fees. Ensure that the system is secure and that your data is protected from unauthorized access. By taking these steps, you can create panel circuit directories that are a valuable asset for your business and your customers. Remember that electrical safety is paramount. Always follow safe work practices and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. In addition to the points already mentioned, consider the following additional tips for creating and maintaining panel circuit directories. Firstly, use a consistent format for all entries. This will make the directory easier to read and understand. Secondly, use clear and concise language. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may not be understood by everyone. Thirdly, include all relevant information, such as the circuit number, description, breaker rating, and the location of the circuit. Fourthly, organize the directory in a logical manner. You could organize it by circuit number, by location, or by function. Fifthly, make sure the directory is easily accessible. It should be located near the electrical panel and should be easy to find. Sixthly, train employees on how to use the directory. This will ensure that they can find the information they need quickly and easily. Seventhly, review the directory regularly. This will help to ensure that it is accurate and up to date. By following these tips, you can create panel circuit directories that are a valuable asset for your business. Furthermore, explore the use of QR codes on panel circuit directories. Linking each circuit to a QR code that, when scanned with a smartphone or tablet, provides detailed information about the circuit, including its function, connected loads, and any relevant notes. This can be especially helpful for troubleshooting and maintenance. Ensure the QR codes are durable and resistant to fading or damage. Another valuable addition is incorporating visual aids into your panel circuit directories. Include diagrams or illustrations showing the physical layout of the circuits and their connections. This can be particularly helpful for complex electrical systems. Use clear and consistent symbols and notations in your diagrams. If you're working on a large project with multiple electrical panels, consider creating a master panel circuit directory that provides an overview of the entire system. This can help to ensure that all panels are properly coordinated and that there are no conflicts between circuits. A master directory can also be helpful for troubleshooting problems that may span multiple panels. Consider the environmental impact of your panel circuit directory materials. Choose paper and ink that are environmentally friendly and recyclable. Dispose of old directories properly to minimize waste. By following these tips, you can create panel circuit directories that are not only informative and easy to use, but also environmentally responsible. Finally, always remember to prioritize safety when working with electrical systems. Consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns.